Hello dear students, I am Ajay Karmarkar. Before proceeding further, I would like to say, please watch video completely and please see it with copy pen. If you find somewhere important, then pause the video and note it and proceed further. If you find any problem, any doubt, please write in comment box. When I get the time, I definitely will solve your problems. And along with, please like, share and subscribe my channel because it works as a tonic to doing further new creative. Thank you. Okay, let's move on. And what question says, a concave mirror has radius of curvature of 40 centimeter. It is at the bottom of glass that has water filled up to 5 centimeter. If a small particle is floating on the surface of water, its image as seen from directly above the glass is at a distance d from the surface of water. The value of d is close to 6.7 centimeter first option, second option 13.4 centimeter, C option 8.8 centimeter and D option 11.7 centimeter, and you have to given refractive index of water mu equal to 1.33, and this question is asked JEE Mains 2019. Okay, what question it says, here you have given a container which is filled with water. Its depth is 5 centimeter and at the bottom a concave mirror fixed at the bottom, and an object is floating on the surface of water in the container. We have find out after reflection. After reflection, it became to reflect where final image is formed. It means apparent depth and apparent height. So all these things, this concept based on apparent. So let us first we have to using the mirror formula and then we using the apparent depth and apparent height formula. So for our convenient, we can consider like this system put as an horizontal and object is here, and what is refractive index? Air refractive index of water with respect of air is 4 by 3 and total distance is d equal to 5 centimeter. Then using the formula, mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. And what is our f? As you know that you have to given r equal to, what is r? R equal to 40 centimeter. And what is the relation between the focal length and radius of curvature? It is just half. Focal length is half of radius of curvature, then it becomes 40 by 2 means 20 centimeter. But by using sign convection rule, it becomes minus 20 centimeter. Now substitute the value in given formula, minus 20, 1 by v. What is u? U is 5. Then by using sign convection, become minus 5. Transposing the number, minus 20 plus 1 by 5 equal to 1 by v. Taking the LCM, 5 4s are 20. Then v became 20 by 3. It is positive. What does it mean of positive? Positive means its image is formed at the behind of the mirror 20 by 3 centimeter. Then total distance. What is the total distance? Total distance d plus v. Total distance from the upper surface. Total distance 5 centimeter plus 20 by 3 means 35 by 3 centimeter. Now we have to find out where the final image is formed after refraction. Then you can use the formula mu equal to h upon h dash. And here mu means a mu w, refractive index of water with respect of air. What is given? 4 by 3. And what is h? H is 35 by 3 and h dash. Then h dash equal to 35 by 3 and 3 by 4, 3 cancel, and h dash we get 8.8 centimeter approximately, and your correct option C, 8.8 centimeter. Now next question, a thin convex lens L, refractive index 1.5 is placed on a plane mirror capital M. When a pin is placed at A such that OA equal to 18 centimeter, its real inverted image is formed at A itself. As shown in figure, when a liquid of refractive index mu L is put between the lens and the mirror, the pin has to be moved to A dash such that OA dash equal to 27 centimeter. To get its inverted real image at A dash itself, the value of mu L will be. Okay, what question says? You have given a convex mirror, convex lens and a plane mirror, and 18 centimeter away a pin is kept such in a way their image is formed at the same position. When it is possible? It is possible only when these rays after refraction it become perpendicular and reaches to plane mirror and then again refracted, retraces the same path. So therefore 18 centimeter is the focal length. So f equal to 18 centimeter is focal length for first condition. After putting the liquid in between lens and the plane mirror, the image is formed. Image is adjusted such in a way 27 centimeter of this combination, then image is same condition is formed. Means this pin is moved to a dash and image is also formed at the same position. It means if the combined focal length become 27 centimeter. Then what the condition of focal length? What is the focal length of that time? We can find out by using combination of focal length 1 by f1, 1 by f2. We can consider f2 and it is f equivalent. Now substituting the value 1 by 18, 1 by f2, what is equivalent focal length? 27. Then what is 1 by f2? 1 by 27. Transposing the number. Now taking the LCM 54, 3, 2 minus 3, then F2 equal to 54 minus 54 centimeter. It is the focal length of liquid lens. We can consider like that. And now liquid lens means consider this is also water lens. You can consider like this. Focal length minus 54 centimeter. And when we have to find out the radius of curvature of this lens before putting the liquid, we can use this formula 1 by f equal to mu minus 1 and 1 by r minus and minus 1 by r. Then it can be written as 1 by 18. And what is refractive index? Mu 1.5 minus 1 and 2 by r. Remember, this is minus and minus 1 by r means become plus 1 by r. Okay. 1.5 minus 1 means 0.5 into 2 by r, then 1 by 18, it became 1 by r, then r equal to 18 centimeter. Right now. Now second condition, you can consider this is water lens like that plano concave. You can consider plano concave. So again we can use the formula for this water lens. Focal length of this liquid equal to mu minus 1 and 1 by r. Its r is negative and its radius of curvature is infinity. So 1 by infinity is 0. You can consider. And what is r? You can find out the r is 18. Now you can minus 18. And mu L, you have to find out mu L. Minus, you can use the formula minus here. And what is FL? Minus 54. Minus shifted upward numerator. Minus minus get cancelled. 18 by 54 mu L minus 1. Then mu L 1 by 3 plus 1 equal to mu L. How much? Mu L equal to 4 by 3. So our C option is correct answer.